great about our mdLiDAR3000 product is it still carries on the same microdrones reliability that we've been known to produce with our systems over the last 15 years. What our mdLiDAR team in Montreal has done has been able to integrate all of these pieces into one fully integrated workflow that allows you to get feedback from the sensor real time when you're flying. So you actually build an LES point cloud for each flight line, which helps in the classification of the data. What we've also done is we're taking photos with the high resolution camera. So we're getting direct georeference images as well as direct georeference scan data simultaneously. So you can actually produce two deliverables for your end user. You have a high resolution orthomosaic as well as the high accuracy elevation data from the Regal sensor. Not only are you producing two deliverables, you're using that high resolution orthomosaic to colorize your point cloud to help in the classification process.
We usually start with trajectory data. After that, I'll move on to georeferencing the point cloud. We also have the ability to use the imagery. It allows us to do stereo compilation with the imagery along with the LiDAR data as well for our vertical information. So through that process, we have a pretty robust means of developing planimetrics and topographic features with the data straight from this one product.
During post-processing, I used the data from the mdLiDAR3000 to use stereo images to collect features including utilities, edge of pavement, curb backs, building tops, all for purposes of a planimetric map for our clients.
Our customer base is very excited about us having the mdLiDAR3000 system. We've been having inquiry about doing projects with a drone and have actually kind of resisted until we knew we had a solution that we could trust. Something that would give us repeatable, accurate, and reliable results. Ever since we got involved with Microdrones on this project, everybody here at the office is just kind of on a buzz. It's almost been like a morale boost in the company. Everybody's really excited about it.